Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a Google custom search engine box. This is really a neat tool that Google offers. It takes the whole internet and it kind of condenses it down into just a couple different websites that you can search from. This is a really great thing to use with our elementary school age kids because it's important for them to learn how to do effective searches, learn how to do keywords, learn how to discriminate and distinguish between good information and faulty information. However, the internet is so large that they get too many results, and occasionally it's inappropriate for them to see, as well as going to be too difficult of a reading level. So this way you have a little bit more control over what exactly the kids are taking a look at, but it also gives them a chance to practice their searching skills. So a Google custom engine box is going to just take a couple of select websites, and that's where the kids are going to be able to search from. And you are in charge of picking what websites the kids use. So here I am on my Google page. You can see I've already logged in as myself. I need to find the custom search engine page. So I go to More, click down at the bottom to Even More, and I'm looking for the custom search, which is underneath specialized search. So I click right here. And you see I already have one for Illinois history, but today we're going to make one for the human body systems for the 5th grade curriculum. So I'm going to click Add, and here is a box for me to type in the address of the website that I would like the kids to look at. Now this is where I think it's best to be organized before you actually make your Google custom search engine. So what I would recommend doing is opening up a Word document and just copying and pasting your addresses that you want to use into your Word document. This will make things move a lot faster when you're ready to actually create your search engine box, and also just could be another way for you to stay a little bit organized in case anything were to happen to your information. So here I have my human body custom search, and I've already done a couple of websites that I think are going to be good places for my kids to find information. Let's just do a search for one more. So I'm going to come over here, open up a new Google page. I'm going to search human body for kids, see what comes up. Here is kidshealth.org, and I've heard of that website. It is a great place for information. But let's take a look at the address, kidshealth.org/kid/HTBW, which stands for How the Body Works. I'm going to just go to the basic kidshealth.org. You can see that I have a site for parents, for kids, and for teens. So if I just did kidshealth.org in my custom search box, it would find information that was also on the parent site and also on the teen site. I'd like to limit it a little bit more, so I'm just going to click Kids. And you see how my address has changed to kidshealth.org/kid. I'm going to copy and paste that and put it into my Word document. So now I have 4 awesome websites for my kids to search. It's time to start making our Google custom search box. I'm going to close this window. Here I am back at my search box. So I'm ready to start typing in my address. So I go to my Word document, copy and paste this address into the box, and you see how another box has come up. So I'm going to go back to my Word document. See how nice it is to have this Word document? We can move super fast and just copy and paste our 4 websites in just like that. It's going to keep giving you boxes, and you can add however many boxes you want to, however many websites you want to. It's going to ask you what language you want. English is the default, but you can choose many other languages. And now it says your search engine will be named kids.discovery. That's one of the websites we use. I'd like to change the name. I'm going to call it the human body. Oops. And then by clicking create, you've also agreed to the terms of service. Now you have a choice of how you would like your students to access your website or your Google custom search. You could either get a code, which I don't recommend unless you know HTML. What I do recommend is getting a public URL. So you click on that and you see this new website has popped up, this new window. And here it says Google custom search. We have our title, human body, up here. So now kids are able to type in what they want to learn about. And then click the search. You say I have 154 results, which is still a good amount. but it's reasonable compared to some of the other Google searches. And when you scroll down, you're going to see that they're all from kidshealth.org and all of the other websites that we have added. So that is a great way for kids to make sure that they are getting their research done, using their search strategies, using the internet, becoming familiar with distinguishing between good information and information they don't need, but it also does it in a little bit more of a controlled way. So I hope that you have learned how to do a Google custom search, and I hope you try one soon.